Poland is a wonderful country to live and work in. It's full of history, culture, and friendly people. But before you pack your bags, you need to get a work visa. Don't worry, I'm here to help you through the process step by step. Getting a work visa might seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. It's like planning a trip. You just need to know where you're going and what to bring. This guide will tell you everything you need to know about getting a work visa for Poland. We'll talk about the different types of visas, the documents you need, and what to expect during the application process. So, are you ready to start your Polish adventure? Let's go. Poland offers different types of visas depending on how long you want to stay and work. Each visa type caters to different needs and durations, ensuring that there's an option for everyone, whether you're planning a short stint or a long-term career move. The most common one is the National Long-Stay Work Visa, also called the D visa. This visa is particularly popular among those who have secured employment in Poland and are looking to immerse themselves in the local culture and work environment. This visa is like a golden ticket. It lets you live and work in Poland for up to a year. Imagine the opportunities to explore the beautiful cities, enjoy the rich history, and build professional connections that could last a lifetime. Think of the D visa as your key to unlocking job opportunities in Poland. It opens doors to various sectors, from technology and finance to education and healthcare, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your skills and ambitions. Whether you're a skilled worker, a freelancer, or planning to start your own company, the D visa is likely what you need. It provides the flexibility to pursue different career paths and even start your own business, contributing to Poland's vibrant economy. There are other types of visas too, like the Schengen visa, which lets you travel around most of Europe for a short period. This visa is ideal for those who want to explore neighboring countries while working in Poland, offering a perfect blend of work and travel. But for working in Poland, the D visa is the most important one to remember. It is specifically designed to support your professional journey in Poland, ensuring you have the legal right to work and live comfortably. In the next section, we'll check if you meet the requirements to apply for a Polish work visa. Stay tuned. We'll guide you through the essential criteria and the application process, making it easier for you to take the next step towards your career in Poland. Before you apply for a Polish work visa, it's important to make sure you meet the requirements. This process can seem daunting, but breaking it down step by step can make it much more manageable. It's like checking if you have the right ingredients before you start baking a cake. Just as you wouldn't start baking without flour or sugar, you shouldn't start your visa application without ensuring you meet all the criteria. First, you need to have a valid passport. This is your primary identification document and is crucial for international travel. Your passport is like your ID card when you're traveling or living abroad. It not only identifies you, but also provides essential information to the authorities. It shows the Polish authorities who you are and where you're from. This helps them verify your identity and nationality. Make sure your passport has at least 6 months left before it expires. This is a common requirement for many countries to ensure that you won't face issues during your stay. You also need to have a job offer from a Polish employer. This is very important. Without a job offer, your visa application will not be considered. It shows that you have a real reason to be in Poland and that you won't be looking for a job while you're there. This job offer should be in writing and include details about your position and salary. Lastly, you need to prove that you can support yourself financially while you're in Poland. This is to ensure that you won't become a financial burden on the country. This means having enough money saved up to pay for your rent, food, and other expenses. You might need to show bank statements or other financial documents as proof. Think of it as packing enough snacks for your trip. Just as you wouldn't want to run out of food on a long journey, you don't want to run out of money while living abroad. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into how to secure that all-important job offer from a Polish employer. We'll cover tips on job searching, preparing for interviews, and what employers in Poland are looking for in candidates. Getting a job offer is a crucial step in your visa journey. It's the foundation upon which your entire application process is built. Without it, you can't move forward. Think of it as finding the perfect hotel for your trip. It needs to feel right. Just as you wouldn't settle for a hotel that doesn't meet your needs, you shouldn't settle for a job that doesn't align with your career goals and aspirations. Start by looking for jobs online on websites like LinkedIn, pracuji.pl, or Indeed Poland. These platforms are treasure troves of opportunities, offering a wide range of positions across various industries. Take your time to explore and find the ones that best match your skills and interests. Polish employers are often eager to hire skilled workers from other countries. They value the diverse perspectives and expertise that international employees bring to the table. This can be a significant advantage for you as a job seeker. Highlight your skills and experience in your resume and cover letter. Make sure to showcase your achievements and how they relate to the job you're applying for. This will help you stand out from other candidates. Make sure to tailor them to the specific job requirements. Generic resume and cover letter won't cut it. Personalize each application to show that you've done your homework and are genuinely interested in the position. Once you have a job offer, your employer will need to apply for a work permit on your behalf. This is a crucial step as it demonstrates to the Polish government that your employer is committed to hiring you and that you meet the necessary qualifications. This shows the Polish government that your employer is serious about hiring you. The work permit is an official document that validates your employment and is essential for your visa application. With a job offer and a work permit in hand, you're ready to start gathering the documents for your visa application. This includes your passport, proof of accommodation, and any other required paperwork. Being organized and thorough will help ensure a smooth application process. Section 5. Gathering your documents. Now it's time to gather all the necessary documents for your visa application. Think of this as packing your suitcase for your trip. You don't want to forget anything important. Besides your passport and job offer, you will need a few other documents. This includes a visa application form, passport-sized photos, proof of accommodation in Poland, and travel insurance. Having all your documents organized is like having a well-packed suitcase. It makes the whole journey smoother and less stressful. Make sure your documents are up to date and in order. Once you have all your documents ready, you can move on to the next step, submitting your application. Section 6. Visiting the consulate. Submitting your visa application might seem intimidating, but it's actually straightforward. You'll need to book an appointment at the Polish consulate or embassy in your home country. The consulate is like the train station for your journey. It's where you officially start the visa application process. During your appointment, a consular officer will review your application and documents. They might ask you a few questions about your trip, so be prepared to tell them about your job offer and your plans in Poland. Remember to be polite and answer all their questions honestly and clearly. This will help ensure a smooth and successful application process. Section 7. Paying the visa fee. Just like every trip has its costs, so does the visa application. You will need to pay a visa fee when you submit your application. The fee amount varies depending on your nationality and the type of visa you are applying for. Think of the visa fee as a small investment in your Polish adventure. It helps cover the costs of processing your application and providing you with the necessary services. Make sure to keep the payment receipt safe. You might need it later on during the process as proof of payment. Now that you've paid the fee, you're almost there. In some cases, the consulate might require you to have an interview as part of the visa application process. This is like a quick chat with a local before your trip to get some insider tips. The interview is a chance for the consulate to learn more about you and your plans in Poland. They might ask you about your work experience, your reasons for choosing Poland, and your plans for the future. Relax, be yourself, and answer their questions honestly and to the best of your ability. After your interview, you'll need to wait for the consulate to process your application. This is like waiting for your departure date to arrive. The processing time can vary, but it usually takes a few weeks. You can track the status of your application online or by contacting the consulate. While you wait, use the time to research more about Poland and prepare for your new life there. You can start learning some basic Polish phrases, find an apartment online, or connect with other expats in Poland. Congratulations, you've received your Polish work visa. Now the real adventure begins. Once you arrive in Poland, you'll need to apply for a temporary residence permit. Think of the temporary residence permit as your official welcome mat to Poland. It allows you to legally reside and work in the country for the duration of your visa. You can apply for the temporary residence permit at the local voivodeship office in Poland. They will guide you through the process and provide you with all the necessary information. With your temporary residence permit in hand, you're all set to start your new life in Poland. Getting a work visa and moving to a new country is a big step, but it can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Remember, good preparation is key. By following these steps and gathering all the necessary documents, you'll be well on your way to working and living in Poland. Poland is a country full of opportunities, friendly people, and delicious food. Embrace the Polish culture, explore the beautiful cities and countryside, and make the most of your time there. Good luck with your Polish adventure.